I have a few bad habits, and when I want to change those bad habits, what I like to do is a process that I'm going to share with you right now, which is basically the thought process of setting yourself up for success. And I'll give you a very simple example. A long time ago, I wanted to start hyperhydrating or super hydrating, drinking a lot of water when I first wake up in the morning. And what I noticed is that I was waking up, going to the bathroom, doing my thing, and then I would kind of forget. And then I was like, oh yeah, I have to grab that cup from the cupboard in the kitchen, fill it up with water and do the thing, And I noticed that reducing any of the friction that is between me and that lots of water that I want to drink was the best way to actually get it done. So what I did is I started putting a cup in my way, like either in the bathroom or on the hallway as I go to the bathroom, so that when I get up and I'm walking around, it's already right there. And that's what I like to think of as setting myself up for success. Same thing if with any other habit. My drinking water habit is just a simple example for me to talk about. But let's say you want to start getting up earlier, or that you want to change some other habit. Maybe you're smoking, and you want to stop smoking. Like this could be for creating a habit or adjusting a habit that you already have. How would you set yourself up for success if you wanted to quit smoking? Well, the first thing would be hide your cigarettes. Don't have them so easily available that you're just like, oh, I feel like smoking, and grab them, right? If you want to change the habit, then add some friction steps in between. If your cigarettes are still yours, they're still available, but they are in a cupboard behind some stuff that makes you, when you think of the cigarette, it makes you have to have an extra few steps to actually go get it, then you have to know that you're actually really motivated to go get that cigarette, right? And if you're not, then the extra steps, the extra friction you've created for yourself could actually be the thing that helps you make the change. Getting up early. If you are having trouble getting up early and you have a blackout curtain, maybe now it's the time to actually lift the blackout curtain and let the sun actually come in the morning. So setting yourself up for success so that if the alarm goes off and you're like, oh, it's too dark, that's hard to get up. But if the alarm goes off and you look out and it's like, oh, look, the daylight's here, then it's easier, So think about what it is that you want to change, whatever habit you want to create for yourself, or that you want to change that maybe is less than ideal in your life right now, less than useful, let's say. And think about what it means to actually set yourself up for success. What are those things that would be obstacles that you can create, to make it easy for you to actually do the thing? Or what are those things that you can add to make it harder for you to do the thing? If you want to change the habit one way or the other. There you go. There's Juan's Coaching Corner. Hopefully you enjoyed it and it helps you change the habits into a more appropriate lifestyle that you want to live.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.